In this tutorial, we'll learn what an EC2 instance is and how it works within the Amazon EC2 service provided by Amazon Web Services. An EC2 instance is essentially a virtual server in the cloud that allows you to run applications without needing physical hardware. Step 1. Navigate to the Amazon EC2 dashboard by logging into the Amazon Web Services Management Console and selecting EC2 from the list of available services. This will take you to the EC2 homepage, where you can view existing instances, launch new ones, and manage your cloud resources. Step 2. Launch an EC2 instance by going to the Amazon EC2 dashboard in the Amazon Web Services Management Console and clicking on the Launch Instance button. It will bring you to the Launch Instance dashboard, where you can enter a name for your instance, such as Amazon EC2 instance, which helps you easily identify and manage it later. From this page in Amazon EC2 on Amazon Web Services, you can continue configuring your instance by selecting an Amazon Machine Image AMI, choosing the instance type, and setting up key pairs and security options before launching it. In the Application and OS Images section, also known as the Amazon Machine Image, choose Amazon Linux as your AMI. In Amazon EC2 on Amazon Web Services, selecting Amazon Linux will display important details such as the description, architecture, boot mode, AMI ID, publish date, and the default username used to connect to the instance. These details help you understand the configuration and compatibility of the selected image before proceeding. Then, choose the instance type such as T2 Micro, which is eligible for the free tier, or another size based on your requirements. After that, click on Create New Key Pair to generate a key that will be used to securely access your instance. In Amazon EC2 on Amazon Web Services, you will need to give the key pair a name and download it, as it is required when connecting to your EC2 instance via SSH. Create a key pair by entering a name for it, such as key pair. Then, choose the key pair type as RSA and select the file format as PEM in Amazon EC2. The PEM file will be downloaded to your computer and is required to securely connect to your EC2 instance. Next, configure the network settings for your EC2 instance. You can leave most options as default, including the network, subnet, and auto-assign public IP. For the firewall security group, make sure to allow SSH traffic so you can connect to your instance. By default, you can allow SSH from anywhere, 00000, but for better security, it's recommended to restrict access to your specific IP address. This ensures only your machine can connect to the instance via SSH. Then, configure the storage for your EC2 instance. Set the root volume size to 8 GB and choose the GP3 volume type. You can leave the advanced details as default, including settings like IOPS, throughput, and encryption, unless you have specific requirements. Next, review the summary of your EC2 instance configuration. Make sure to choose one instance to launch. Verify that the software image AMI selected is Amazon Linux 2023. Check that the instance type is T2 Micro. The firewall is set to a new security group allowing SSH access, and the storage is configured with one volume of 8 GB. Once everything is correct, you can proceed to launch the instance. Step 3. Connect to your EC2 instance. After your EC2 instance is launched, you can connect to it using SSH. In the Amazon EC2 dashboard, select your running instance and click Connect. In the EC2 Instance Connect page with details such as the instance ID, connection type, public IP v4 address, and the username, typically EC2 user, click the Connect button to open a browser-based SSH session directly to your EC2 instance, allowing you to access and manage it without using a separate terminal application. The Amazon Linux 2023 and the default username EC2 user, which allows you to securely access your instance. From here, you can run commands, install software, and manage your EC2 server just like you would on a regular Linux machine. This connection gives you full administrative access to configure your environment and deploy applications. You have successfully learned what an EC2 instance is, how to launch one, and how to connect to it. You now understand the steps from selecting an Amazon Linux 2023 AMI, choosing the instance type, creating a key pair, configuring network and security settings, setting storage, and finally accessing your instance via SSH. With this knowledge, you can start exploring cloud computing, deploy applications, and manage virtual servers on Amazon Web Services.